Welcome to the in front of me Nubia Red Magic 7, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition a couple of minutes ago, and now I'll try to unlock the device with my face and we will see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As we can see, the face unlock feature works here so fast. We can just unlock the device led in 1 second. That is the really good result. I just want to try one more thing because I set up my face recognition with the glasses, and now I'll try to unlock the device without them. So let's see. As we can see, that's just not a problem. The face unlock feature works also correct here, and just unlock the device, I think, just more fastly. So I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the passcodes, pin codes or patterns, they are more just secure than the fingerprint or face unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.